You don't need a $200 monthly software stack. These 7 open-source and free tools provide professional results without the subscription fatigue. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. Subscription bloat is the silent killer of the modern side hustle. It starts with $20 for a chatbot, then $30 for image generation. Add $15 for a research assistant and another $20 for high-quality voice synthesis. By the time you check your bank statement, you are burning nearly $1,000 a year on tools that you do not even own. Most of these platforms are thin wrappers built on top of open-source models. They charge you a premium for a sleek interface and a login screen. In 2026, that premium is no longer necessary. You are paying for convenience that has become a commodity. If you have a decent laptop and 10 minutes to spare, you can host these capabilities yourself. By the end of this, you will know exactly which free alternatives replace the heavy hitters like ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney, and 11 Labs. You will have a professional-grade AI stack that runs for $0 a month. Number 1, Llama 4 running via Llama. This replaces your $20 a month ChatGPT Plus subscription. Let me break this down plainly. Llama 4 is the current gold standard for open-source large language models. It matches the reasoning capabilities of the top-tier paid models but lives entirely on your hardware. You download a small application called Llama. You run a single command. Within 2 minutes, you have a private, uncensored assistant that handles complex coding, document analysis, and strategic planning. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right, because you are not fighting with cloud-based filters or usage caps. You do not need an internet connection to use it. Your data stays on your machine, which is a requirement for any professional handling sensitive client information. Takeaway: local inference is now powerful enough to make paid general-purpose chatbots redundant for most professional tasks. Number 2, Flux 2. This is the tool that replaces Midjourney. Midjourney costs $30 a month and keeps your images on their servers unless you pay even more for a pro plan. Flux 2 is open-weight and produces photorealistic results that are indistinguishable from paid services. It handles human anatomy and text rendering with high precision. To use it for free, you use a platform like Hugging Face Spaces or run it locally using Comfy UI. Here is the thing most people miss. Running Flux locally allows you to use low-res, which are small add-on files that train the AI on your specific products or face. You cannot do that effectively on a basic Midjourney plan. You get infinite generations and total creative control for the cost of the electricity to run your computer. Takeaway: open-source image models have closed the quality gap, making paid subscriptions an unnecessary luxury for creators. Number 3, OpenVoice version 3. This replaces 11 Labs for voice cloning and text-to-speech. 11 Labs is excellent, but their pricing tiers are restrictive if you produce long-form content. OpenVoice allows you to clone a voice using a snippet as short as 10 seconds. It captures tone and emotion without the monthly credit limit. You use it by installing the repository from GitHub or using a web-based demo. This is ideal for narrating presentations or creating voiceovers for social media content. It runs efficiently on standard consumer graphics cards. Skip the theory. Here is what actually works. Use OpenVoice to create a consistent brand voice for your business and never pay a voice actor or a subscription fee again. Takeaway: high-fidelity voice cloning is now a free, accessible utility rather than a gated service. Number 4, DeepSeek Coder v4. This replaces GitHub Copilot. If you are a professional who codes, you are likely paying $10 a month for AI completions. DeepSeek Coder is an open-source model that consistently outperforms paid competitors in Python and JavaScript benchmarks. You integrate it directly into Visual Studio Code using a free extension like Continue. This gives you the same autocomplete and chat experience as Copilot without the recurring fee. It understands complex repository structures and provides suggestions that are technically sound. Most tutorials won't tell you this, but you can run the smaller versions of this model on a standard laptop with zero latency. Takeaway: you can achieve professional-grade coding assistance using open-source models integrated directly into your existing workflow. Number 5, Anything LLM. This replaces paid research tools and enterprise search subscriptions. Most people pay for AI services to talk to their documents. Anything LLM is a free all-in-one desktop application that turns your local documents into a searchable database. You point it at a folder of PDFs, spreadsheets, or text files. It indexes them locally. You can then ask questions about your data without uploading a single byte to the cloud. This matters because it eliminates the privacy risk associated with uploading proprietary company data to third-party servers. It is a full-stack solution for document intelligence that costs $0. Takeaway: local document indexing provides better privacy and zero cost compared to cloud-based research assistants. Number 6. Cogvideo X. This replaces paid AI video generators like Runway or Pika. Video generation is the most expensive AI subscription category, often costing $50 or more for a handful of credits. Cogvideo X is an open-source model that generates high-quality video clips from text prompts. While it requires a powerful graphics card to run locally, you can use free community-hosted versions to get the same results. It is capable of producing cinematic movement and consistent characters. No fluff. Here's exactly how to do it. Use it for 5-second B-roll clips in your marketing videos to save on stock footage costs. Takeaway: open-source video generation is rapidly maturing, providing a viable path to skip expensive video-as-a-service platforms. Number 7. Whisper Turbo. This replaces transcription services like Otter or Descript for basic text conversion. If you record meetings or interviews, you might be paying for minutes. Whisper Turbo is a refined version of OpenAI's open-source speech recognition model. It is incredibly fast. It can transcribe an hour of audio in less than 2 minutes on a modern laptop. The accuracy is near perfect, even with background noise or accents. You can run it through various free interfaces or a simple command line. It handles over 90 languages and provides timestamps and speaker diarization. Takeaway: automated transcription is a solved problem that no longer requires a paid monthly service. That's everything for today. If one of those saves you even 30 minutes this week, it was worth your time watching. We covered 7 tools that eliminate the need for paid subscriptions. Llama 4 for chat, Flux 2 for images, OpenVoice for audio, DeepSeek for code, Anything LLM for research, Cogvideo X for video, and Whisper Turbo for transcription. You now have a professional AI stack that costs $0. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We post every week, no filler. And drop a comment below. Which paid AI subscription are you most looking forward to canceling? I read every reply.